Alright, I got 3 more packs of the Dragons of Legend Unleashed. This will be my second attempt at trying to get that Blue Eyes alternative dragon. If I get it, I'll be super happy. If I don't, I'm gonna fucking freak right the fuck out. Let's see what I got opening my first pack now. Alright, so the first card is a Relay Soul. Guardian of Dead Scythe, whatever the hell that is. A Rapid Raptor Napalm Dragoneus. I might not be reading these the right way, but they're fucking stupid names. Flower Cardian Paulownia the Phoenix. And an Odd Eyes Mirage Dragon. That might come in handy. I don't know. I'm using stuff that uses Odd Eyes cards, so we'll see. A Rocket Hermos Cannon. Another fucking Relay Soul. Cipher Wing. Number 59 Crooked Cook. I wonder what he does. I'll have to check him out later. Number 51 Finisher the Strong Arm. Last pack. Still no fucking Blue Eyes alternative dragon. Oh, this doesn't look very promising. Let's start off with a Berserker Soul. Tyrant Burst Dragon. A Proforma Pal Uni. I have to see what that one is because I am running Proforma Pals. Flower Cardian Zebra Grass. I already tell that it's not a fucking Blue Eyes alternative. It's at number 51 Finisher the Strong Arm again. Ugh. I hate wasting money so fucking much. Just want to take these and fucking fold them the fuck up in the fucking thing, motherfucking goddamn cocksucking pricks. Anyways, that's it for that fucking video. I don't know if I'm gonna buy cards again. Piece of shit. Like, I shouldn't get that upset. It's completely random what you get, but for fuck's sakes.